recent advances or new technologies that are coming on the market. In this unit, we are going to look at some of the modern or recent advances in emerging technology. 2, the uses of these new technologies that are coming on the market. One, let's look at artificial intelligence. There are so many areas of artificial intelligence that has been used now. We have the creation of office assistants, personal assistants, in the form of robots. For example, office assistants in the form of a robot that is in the form of that is dressed as a lady with a wig, a dress, and shoes, but it's a robot, and is able to do certain office functions. Such as making tea, opening file cabinets, opening doors, answering phones, welcoming people in an office. You can just imagine. So maybe we should be careful when we go to offices to ensure that we are not talking to a robot, but rather to a human being. Okay, so these are some of the things that are coming on the market that will soon be popularized on the market as we progress. I mean, from this you can see, well, there are all these dangers of when artificial intelligence, when devices, when robots move from production lines into other non-traditional areas like offices, classrooms, then you start to worry about replacement of humans. You know, obviously, if these machines are going to take up some of the knowledge-intensive activities that, for example, the diagnostics that doctors carry out, if they are replaced by robots, then doctors will have no jobs. Yeah, so that is the big conversation out there, to say, how far can we go with these devices? How far can we go with these devices without really harming our social setup in terms of employment? Yeah. And also, when you look at areas that have traditionally been done by humans, and now they are going to be replaced by these robots, you start to worry. Like it has been mentioned in one of the previous units, football commentating could, in the near future, be replaced by AI devices. And then we move on to blockchain. Blockchain technology has its origin in block files or data that originally was stored in blocks, what we call blocks. Then these blocks are linked together through cryptographic links that have tags and the transaction data information. So these are secure data storage strategies. So these links are secure. You can also introduce encryption so that no one can tamper with the data that is in blocks. So that's why it's called blockchain. In other words, these blocks are linked to one another like a chain, but each block is keeping specific information. So it's becoming very popular among corporate entities.